Our lead story tonight is Paytm. Until a week ago, it was a celebrated unicorn. Today, it's a company struggling to survive. Paytm is in deep trouble. Last week, India's central bank issued an order against it. It's called the RBI, the Reserve Bank of India, and its order came like a death sentence, banning Paytm from most banking services. The order comes into effect in March. So the company is working overtime to save itself, and that is the big question right now. Can Paytm be saved? The deadline is February 29th, so barely 3 weeks to go. There's a lot of speculation, talk of a potential sale. Reports say Paytm may sell a part of the business and that there are two suitors in the fray, HDFC Bank and Jio Financial Services. Now, none of this is confirmed right now, but even if a sale is proposed, they will need the RBI's permission. A sale cannot go through without a nod from the central bank, and whichever way it goes, the fallout will be immense. This is a big company we're talking about. Paytm is a major player in financial services, a poster child of India's digital payments revolution. It has more than 300 million active users. All of them will be affected by the RBI's order. Paytm is scrambling to protect its business and to reassure its customers. It says its services will continue uninterrupted, and that it's working with the Reserve Bank, trying to address the concerns and mitigate the crisis. The Reserve Bank says Paytm is not playing by the rules and that it committed serious compliance violations. So can the company still be saved? At this point, a comeback looks tough. Reports say the Reserve Bank may cancel its license. A final call is yet to be taken, but officials are said to be seriously considering this. The company's founder is Shekhar Sharma. He met with officials from the central bank, apparently seeking some concessions, either an extension of the deadline or assistance in keeping Paytm's operations safe. What does that mean? Paytm is looking to migrate some of its accounts to other banks. This is to keep the service online for its customers. Now, both these options were discussed with the Reserve Bank officials, and what was their response? A flat denial. So the Feb 29 deadline stays, and the RBI will not offer any assistance to Paytm. The company is on its own, really. The central bank will not nudge any banks to take this up. In fact, it may move in the opposite direction, shutting doors for Paytm. Reports say the RBI has refused to entertain any requests from the company, and they're unlikely to meet Shekhar Sharma again. It's a very tough approach, yes. And there's a reason for this. The Reserve Bank believes that Paytm was given enough time, a lot of leeway to address compliance issues. And now the bank seems to have run out of patience. But the Paytm founder is not giving up. Yesterday, Shekhar Sharma met with India's Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. We don't know what was discussed, but by all accounts, he sought some relief. And this was most likely a personal appeal to the Finance Minister. We'll have to wait and see if it helped. Now, Paytm's problems circle around a subsidiary. It's called the Paytm Payments Bank. This subsidiary is at the heart of the payments business. It has a license from the Reserve Bank, but it's not a full banking license. So this company can take deposits, but it cannot lend money. It offers services like digital banking, fixed deposits through partner banks, digital wallets and payments, UPI, which is India's real-time payment system, and FASTag, which is India's electronic toll collection system. All these services are run by the Paytm Payments Bank. Its parent company is called 197 Communications. They too offer banking services through various arrangements. But the RBI's orders specifically target the subsidiary, the Paytm Payments Bank. That's the target. Will selling this subsidiary help then? Is that the only way out for Paytm? Well, a distressed sale is an option, but it's a very tough one. It would be like cutting the arm to save the body, the last of the last resorts. Will Paytm do it? The next few days would determine the future of this company.
From impeachments to inaugurations, if it's a political story, we are on the scene. The race for the White House is heating up.
We're beating Biden.
How dare he say that?
If it's breaking news, we're live with the latest coverage. From the White House, the State Department, and Capitol Hill, we know the issues, but above all, we know the players to bring you the latest in-depth analysis on all the key stories that we're covering. I'm Eric Ham. Join me from Washington here on Firstpost America.
Paytm.